How to fix TurboTax app not working. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can fix if your TurboTax app is not working. The first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Make sure that you are connected with a stable internet. You can try switching between Wi-Fi and data to check. Now, if internet is not the issue, next thing you want to do is open up your settings. Then scroll down and find the apps option or tap on the app management option. From here, you want to scroll down and find the TurboTax app. Once you have found it, tap on that. Now go ahead and tap on the storage option. Here you want to tap on clear cache, then tap on clear data and tap on the delete option. Once both cache and data has been cleared, you want to open the application, log into your account and check if your problem has been fixed. If it is still not fixed, you want to open up Play Store or App Store on your device. Here search for TurboTax. Now if you find the update button, tap on that and update the application to the latest version. Updating the app is going to fix any bugs within the app. Now, if your problem is still not fixed after updating your application, all you want to do is uninstall the application. For that, tap on the uninstall option. Once you have uninstalled TurboTax, you again want to install it using Play Store or App Store. After the reinstallation, any issue with the app will be fixed. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.